Flowchart and definitions of chapter 5. Children, flowchart, nervous system. It consists of three main parts: brain, spinal cord, and nerves. Brain consists of three main parts: cerebrum, cerebellum, and medulla. And spinal cord, this connects nerves to brain. Nerves, these are of three types: sensory, motor, and mixed. Sensory nerves carry messages from body parts to the brain. Motor nerves carry messages from brain to the body parts. And mixed nerve, they do both the functions. They carry messages from body part to spinal cord or brain, and from spinal cord and brain to body parts. Children, sense organs are also related with the nervous system. We are having 5 sense organs: eyes, ear, nose, tongue, and skin. Eyes help us in seeing or in the sight, ear to hear, nose to smell, tongue to taste, skin to feel. So, sense organ also help in the working of nervous system. Children, we start glossary or definitions of chapter 5. The first definition is cerebellum. It is cerebellum. It is a small part of the brain situated at the bottom of the brain and responsible for balance. Cerebellum, this is also called small brain, and it is situated at the bottom of the brain, and this is responsible for balancing our body, for maintaining our posture, for keeping balance of our full body. So it is important. Now come to second definition, cerebrum. Cerebrum, it is dome shaped largest part of the brain and is responsible for intelligence, thinking, storage, and memory of information. Is it clear? Cerebrum, this is also a part of the brain, and it is the largest part of the brain, or it is also called big brain. It is also called big brain, and it is responsible for our intelligence, thinking, storage, and memory of information. Is it clear? Now come to third definition, medulla. Medulla, it is also the part of the brain, bulb-like structure connecting brain to the spinal cord. It is a bulb-like structure which connects brain to the spinal cord, and this is responsible for heartbeat, breathing, and involuntary action. Our heartbeat, breathing, and involuntary action means which are not under our control. These actions are controlled by the medulla. Now next is motor nerves, the nerves that carry message from the brain to the sense organ. Motor nerves, so they carry response from the brain to the sense organ or the body parts. Next is nasal cavity, the canal or passage inside the nose. So it is called nasal cavity. Inside the nose, the passage is there, canal or passage is there, and this passage is called nasal cavity. And the next one is neurons. Neurons, these are the nerve cells. Neurons are the nerve cells and that form the nerves. The neurons, these are the nerve cells that form the nerves. Pinna. Pinna is the external part of the ear through which sound passes. The outer ear is also called pinna. Outer ear, the ear, the part which is visible from the outside, so that is pinna. And through this part, the sound passes and travel to the middle ear and inner ear. Reflex action. So these are the actions that are very quick, controlled by the spine, and are automatic. Or in simple way, we can say very quick, automatic actions which are controlled by the spinal cord are called reflex action. Okay, the last definition is this is sensory nerves, the nerves that carry messages from the sense organ to the brain. Sensory nerves, these are the nerves which carry messages from the body part to the brain. Okay, so these are about the definitions of chapter 5